This is the 2000 watt Cozii Pro Series Power Blender. I say Pro Series because this is a tool for your kitchen. This is not a toy. It's made really well. It's solid. It just sounds good. It feels good. It works well. We're gonna make a smoothie here in a second, but first let me hit a few of the favorite highlights. First of all, the functionality is just right there on the display. If you wanna make smoothies, you hit the smoothies. Ice crush, ice cream, extract, blend, pulse, puree. It's real simple right there. There's no going through menu options. That's not what we're doing here. This is super nice and super easy. The other thing I like about it is you have to multiple tap to get this thing going. So you wanna go smoothie, so start, smoothie, start. And then you hit stop when you're done. Now, what I like about that is if, say, a little kid comes around, they accidentally touch some buttons, it's not just gonna start automatically. But now that we're engaged, we've done all that, you can also now turn it on. And turn it back off. And so you don't have to always be pushing the buttons, but to really get it going, you need to do those, which is really safe. Other thing I like about it, it's quiet. I mean, they all make noise, but this seems really quiet. And this feature, though, might be my favorite. You can take the top off here, and this is an included tamper. So what's cool about that is whenever you're blending, you can actually pull this out and push things down the walls, and it's perfectly calibrated to where this lip will not allow the tamper to get down into the blades. And then it just sits there and it serves as your top. So there's nothing coming out the top either. So I like that feature a lot. When it's needed, you're glad you got it. All right, now let's make a smoothie. Let me get this big one out of the way. And let's build our smoothie in this little container that's also included. We're gonna start with some cherries. I want this one to be sweet, so we're gonna do quite a few of these. And then let's do some avocados. These are all frozen from the bag, but they've been thawed just a little bit. We're gonna do a lot of avocados. That makes it nice and smooth. Greek yogurt. And then finally, I like mine a little runnier, so we're gonna add some almond milk. Can add more if we need it. Oh, and I gotta add my honey for taste, but also it's good for me. All right, that'll do it. You know what, let's make it healthy too. Let's go with this celery, give it a little challenge. And let's see how it goes. So now we grab this base. The other base is built into the large blender. And this base we just screw in. I've got this thing all the way full, probably too full. This will be a challenge. All right, nice and tight. Look at all that goodness. Let's see how it does. Okay, so we're gonna go start, smoothie, start. Excellent. All right, this is, again, the Pro Series model by Cozii. This was sent to me for an honest review. This is my honest review. The functionality, the size of this is fantastic. We're going all the way up to 1,850 milliliters. Goodness, I'm gonna have to figure out ounces. All right, 64 ounces, there we go. It's big, it feels great, it's doing the job. I love all the functionality built right into the screen, right on top. It's cool. All right, hope that helps. Happy smoothieing. So in conclusion, we like the blender. My daughter came by, she was listening to me film, and right after I was done filming, she said, "Dad, that didn't take like hardly any time." And I was like, yeah, but actually I ran it twice as long as I had to because I needed some footage of it actually blending. She says, "Man, our old blender takes like 5 times that time and you have to push it down and it's a lot of work." Well, I think this is because this is a Pro Series blender. So we like it genuinely. This was sent to me for a review. I did not pay for it, but I would pay for it, and I would highly recommend it. My daughter said this is now our new blender, and the old blender is going to a thrift store or donating it somewhere. So anyway, hope that helps. Happy smoothing and extracting and pureeing and all those other things you do with a Pro Series blender. Have a good day. Yep, that's good stuff.